Most men think low testosterone only means one thing: low sex drive. But that's a dangerous myth, because low testosterone is silently destroying men's energy, confidence, muscle, motivation, and mental edge long before they ever notice problems in the bedroom. And the worst part? Most men don't even know it. Today, we're breaking down the low testosterone symptoms men overlook, and more importantly, how to fix them naturally, without gimmicks or shortcuts. If you're a man who wants to stay strong, sharp, and masculine, this video matters. Before we get started, I want to ask you to join the Brotherhood, hit that subscribe button, and let's build stronger men together. I want to inform you that I'm not a medical professional. The content in this video is for general informational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, exercise routine, or lifestyle. Now let's continue. Testosterone isn't just a sex hormone. It's the foundation of male vitality. Healthy testosterone supports muscle growth and strength, energy and motivation, fat loss and metabolism, mental focus and confidence, bone density and joint health, and drive, ambition, and resilience. When testosterone drops, everything starts to slip, often slowly enough that men normalize it. That's where the danger lies. Here are some low testosterone symptoms men ignore. First, chronic fatigue. Not just tired, but always drained. You wake up exhausted. Coffee barely helps. Your drive is gone. That's not getting older. That's hormonal decline. Second, loss of muscle and strength. You're training, but getting weaker. Muscle disappears faster than it used to. Recovery takes forever. Low testosterone makes it harder to build muscle and easier to lose it. Third, increased belly fat, especially stubborn fat around the waist. Low testosterone slows metabolism and increases fat storage, creating a vicious cycle because body fat lowers testosterone even more. Fourth, low motivation and drive. You're not lazy, you're depleted. Low testosterone kills ambition, competitive edge, and mental fire. You stop pushing yourself because the fuel tank is empty. Fifth, brain fog and poor focus forgetfulness. Slow thinking, difficulty concentrating. Testosterone plays a major role in cognitive sharpness and mental clarity. Sixth, mood changes and irritability. Feeling flat, easily frustrated, less confident. Low testosterone affects dopamine and mood regulation, not just muscles. Seventh, reduced libido and performance. Yes, this matters too, but for many men, it's the last symptom, not the first. Low testosterone doesn't happen overnight. Common causes include chronic stress and high cortisol, poor sleep, a sedentary lifestyle, excess body fat, processed food and sugar overload, alcohol overuse, a lack of resistance training, and micronutrient deficiencies such as zinc, vitamin D, and magnesium. Modern life is anti-testosterone by default. That means you have to fight back, intentionally. Here are some things that you can do to fix low testosterone naturally. First, lift heavy and train. Smart resistance training is one of the most powerful natural testosterone boosters. Focus on squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and overhead presses. Train hard, but don't overtrain. Second, prioritize sleep like a weapon. Men who sleep 5 to 6 hours a night can see 15 to 30% lower testosterone. Aim for 7 to 9 hours in a dark room and keep a consistent schedule. Sleep is non-negotiable. Third, reduce stress or pay the price. Chronic stress raises cortisol, and elevated cortisol levels suppress testosterone. Daily habits that help are walking, getting outdoors into the sunlight, meditation, and spending time away from screens, whether that's a computer or cell phone. Control stress, or it will control you. Fourth, eat for testosterone. Key testosterone-supporting foods are eggs, red meat, fatty fish, oysters, olive oil, avocados, nuts, and leafy green vegetables. Try to avoid ultra-processed foods and excess sugar. Fifth, optimize key nutrients. Most men are deficient in vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium. These are essential for hormone production. And sixth, maintain a healthy body fat level, lower fat, higher testosterone. You don't need abs, but you do need discipline. Low testosterone doesn't just steal your sex drive. It steals your strength, your confidence, your edge, and your purpose, and it does it quietly. The good news? You can fix it, naturally, by living like a man who respects his body. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and share it with a man who needs to hear this message, because strong men build strong lives.